Hello and welcome to our channel Science Learn with Fun. In this video, we will learn about the properties of amino acids and their classification. But first, we will know about the basic knowledge of amino acid. As the name suggests, amino acid contain two carboxylic groups. Amino group NH2 and carboxylic group COOH. The nature of amino group is basic and the nature of carboxylic group is acidic. Now we will know about the properties of amino acid. Amino acids are colorless. These are crystalline solids. Amino acids are water soluble. Amino acids behave like salts because these contains both acid and basic groups because they are neutral. These have high melting points as they are highly stable. They are Zutter ions. These are optically active because they contain asymmetrical carbon atom except glycine. Amino acids show behavior of both primary amino group and carboxylic group. Now we will know about the classification. On the basis of relative position of amino group with respect to the carboxylic group, these are divided as alpha, beta, gamma and delta amino acids. On the basis of number of amino group and carboxylic group, these are classified as neutral amino acid, acidic amino acid and basic amino acid. Neutral amino acid: when the number of amino group and carboxylic group is equal, then these are neutral and these are called neutral amino acid. For example, glycine and alanine. Acidic amino acid: when the number of carboxylic group is more than amino group, then this nature is acidic. For example, aspartic and glutamic acid. Basic amino acid: when the number of amino group is more than carboxylic group, then these are basic amino acid. For example, lysine. On the basis of necessity, amino acids are classified as essential amino acid and non-essential amino acid. Essential amino acids are that are to be supplied through diet and cannot be produced by the body. Non-essential amino acids can be synthesized by the body and there is no necessity to take them through diet. Essential amino acid: histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, valine. Now we will know the mnemonic. Hill empty TV. Histidine, isoleucine, leucine and lysine are Hill. Methionine, phenylalanine and threonine are empty and tryptophan and valine are TV. Non-essential amino acids: alanine, aspartic acid, asparagine, arginine, glycine, glutamic acid, cysteine, serine, proline, tyrosine. The mnemonic is all the amino acids from A to Z alphabets and STP. A for alanine starts from alanine and Z for glutamic acid, and STPR as for serine, T for tyrosine and P for proline. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and support us by like.